You can't stop.
Why do I have a white outline? Wow! But it was a yellow! I thought that was like a good sign! A good sign!
Yep. Yep.
Oh, it's a sign that they're gonna attack in that spot. Okay, well that's just.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Ow. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah. And then you like, yeah. And then later, like, you use the little, like, eggs that it gives out. Ow. Oh no! Ow! I dodged! Oh, ow! Ow! Ow!
Your energy is still unstable. I'll show you which of us is the true ultimate life form. No! Let's do this.
Okay.
Let's do this. Ultimate power.
Oh, easy. Oh, what's going on? Okay, oh man, I really gotta stop instinctively, like, pressing the right trigger.